What did the triangle say to the circle? You have no point! Oh, wait, we love circles. Well, hello there. I'm Erin, and today we are going to talk about the unit circle because we have circle love, and circles have 360 degrees. But don't you take my word for it. You always ask why or how, and this is how you find out. Remember, everything is easy if you break it down into pieces, even rocket science. So we're going to take the circle and we're going to break it down into 4 pieces because it is easy. Now we're going to take that x-axis and y-axis and we're going to make them intersect right in the center of the circle. Oh, notice the x and y-axis, they intersect at 90 degrees. So they're going to give you a box, and they're going to give you one box. Here's that x and y axis. You draw it any way you like. And it's easy, and it's intersecting right in the very center of the circle. Now remember, when I said they're only going to give you one box, I want you to see 4 boxes. Why is a box important? Because a box is 90 degrees. A box means you have a right angle. Wait a minute. You have 4 boxes. If you got 4 boxes, that's 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90. That's 360 degrees. That is the amount of degrees in a whole circle. Why are circles so hot? Because they're 360 degrees. Ah! Oh, that's good. All right, let's take that circle, cut it in half, and we're going to make it a semicircle. We're just going to work with the top half. Now you may be noticing that we're always starting and moving in the counterclockwise direction. That is how you move when you have the unit circle. And notice here you got a box here. I want you to always see this box even if they don't draw it. 90 plus 90 is 180. And notice how the circle is cut in half with a line. A line is 180 degrees just like a semicircle. And if I were Harry Potter, I'd be saying, we travel widdershins, which means counterclockwise. How does a circle get a large circumference? It eats way too much pie, of course. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. All right. Now, we are not talking about any circle. We are talking about the unit circle. Unit means 1. Anytime you hear the word unit, I want the number 1 to flash through your mind. And it's a unit circle. That means it has a radius of 1. Wait, radius? Radius is the distance from the center of the circle to any edge. It doesn't matter which edge, but it does have to be from the center of the circle, and that is your radius. All right, let's go back to the circle and the crosshairs. It's crosshairs, x and y axis. They intersect right in the very center of the origin, very center of the circle, and we're going to call that the origin. I want you to remember this. Ooh, the origin, 0, 0, ooh. Very important point. Now, how many degrees in a circle? 360. What does the box mean? 90 degrees. What is the origin? The very center of the circle. It's an XY point in the very center of the circle that is 0, 0. Yes. Back to this circle, the crosshairs. So here we've got the radius of 1 because it's a unit circle. Always refer back to the origin. If we go sideways, that's traveling in the x direction. We go right, that's positive 1. Did we go up or down? No. Y is 0. So that's why this point at the edge of the circle is 1, 0. If we did all the points, here's what we would have. Remember, radius is 1, so if we're traveling at the edge of the circle, we're traveling the distance of the radius from the origin. So here, we're going down. That's in the negative y direction, 1. So that's why it would be a negative 1. So the point here would be x is 0, y is negative 1. What did the square say to the circle? I haven't seen you around, but we've seen the circle around, and we did such a good job today. Remember, 360 degrees in a circle. A box means 90 degrees or a right angle. Unit means 1. Travel in the counterclockwise widdershins direction. You are so good, and remember, everything is easy if you break it down in pieces. Ciao for now.